Hello guys, in this video we're going to be looking at how we can raise a complex number to a complex number. So here we are going to begin with expressing 1 minus I in the form r e raised to the power I theta. R is just the square root of 1 squared plus negative 1 all squared, which will give us a square root of 2, and theta is negative tan inverse of 1 on 1 because the complex number lies in the fourth quadrant. So theta gives us negative pi on 4. So it means 1 minus I is equal to root 2 e raised to the power negative I pi on 4. Now if I raise both sides to the negative I, it means I get root 2 e raised to the power negative I pi on 4 to the negative I. So by so doing, we raise each component to the negative I. So we have root 2 to the negative I times e raised to the power negative I pi on 4 to the negative I. So the first component stays the same, and then the second component we need to multiply the powers since still by indices. So multiplying the powers, we just get e raised to the power I squared times pi on 4, where I squared is negative 1, so we have e raised to the power negative pi on 4. Now we are going to express root 2 to the negative I as a complex number as well. So root 2 to the negative I, we first of all write it in the exponential form, is e raised to the power the ln of root 2 to the negative I. We bring down the negative I and we get e raised to the power negative I the ln of 2. It means my complex number 1 minus I raised to the power negative I is simply e raised to the power negative pi on 4 times e raised to the power I into negative ln 2 the ln of root 2, sorry. So I'm now going to write e raised to the power I into the negative ln of root 2 in the trigonometry form. So doing that, we get the cos of ln root 2 minus I the sine of ln root 2.